vlog. So this is my OOTD of the day. Fashion Nova, Shein, and Marshalls. Yeah, we're about to go get on a boat ride. The girls are already outside. I'm tired. I'm not gonna lie. I'm wore out. Yeah, I put on my sneakers. I was gonna wear my sandals, but my feet hurt, so I'm choosing comfortability over looks. Y'all, we trying to find our way around this public transportation. No, it's not. It's just like knowing.
I feel like Siri just needs to be better. Like,
Yeah.
Like, you make it complicated.
No, you really gotta look like.
I'm not playing these games.
Or you will miss it.
Okay.
And they got the wrong letters in big writing. Like, why is M so bold?
Right. There's a 14. I guess we'll get them a 4.
Where's the 14?
We can get them a 14 too, but they're like.
You think it's full?
Yeah, it look like it.
I mean, we could try.
Maria!
Where'd Maria go? Oh. We on the tram. So packed on this freaking thing.
Girl, have you been on a pack in New York?
No.
Girl.
I've never been to New York.
Oh, okay. I don't know why. You don't want to go cold.
You can tell y'all from up north. I'm from the south. We like the elders. Like, get out of the way.
Elders,
Yeah.
they don't care about none of that shit. Like, you guess the going. Like, it's giving like New York. Like, they have attitude. Nobody talk. Yeah, nobody talk. Like,
Okay,
Alright. Somehow I left the white shades.
you didn't bring any shades?
I have some more.
Oh, okay.
That just was in my purse. Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
We made it.
I don't know. Let's see that one
Alright, we're on the boat. I brushed my lashes.
Anybody having a good time so far? Alright, I'm proud of you guys. So guys, my name is DJ. I will be your host for today. Today driving us, making sure they're dancing a bit, I think. I never really got the name, but IT division. We're gonna do it right now. Yeah, we're gonna do it right now. or I could wait until we're like at a busy part so that people on the streets are also gonna join.
Oh, yeah.
Whatever. We'll just sing now. Are you guys ready on 3? Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Okay, you can use this as an ashtray. Thank you. Hey. I have no idea how people do it.
Okay. So as long as you're in the city, like, you're okay.
Kangaroos though,
Okay, I always see like kangaroos like fighting people. Like,
The kangaroos really fight like that? Because I'm like, is this AI? Or like, is it really?
Yeah, they're white like style.
okay.
This is like one of my like bucket list trips. So. Best birthday ever.
Yo, we really out here bonding. Like,
Can y'all stop? Put it on.
in the coffee shop. You know what we doing. What I gotta do now to get my shoulder back.
But you're not. So that's what it's gonna be like.
That's why I love Flea.
These are the rings that I got. Show yours, Shadiah.
Oh, yeah.
Hers are so cute. We're still on a hunt for some.
We're getting there.
Yeah, $10 Levi's.
People. Oh, hold up.
I don't know my European size.
Oh, you don't? Oh, we should have took a picture of it before.
Yeah,
Maybe they're sold there as well. Really
we'll
well.
do it like when we sit down.
Can you imagine?
And this is 25.
Great, thank you very much.
Some purses. They sell the seeds.
Now I stand tall, now not firm. I know I will be okay. Reach for the stars with everything.
The necklace.
Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah. I like that. Look out. These are my rings, guys. So pretty. All right, ready?
Yeah, on the top of it.
Oh yeah. That was good. We walking in these Amsterdam streets.
Amsterdam shit.
Right.
Vlogging?
Yeah.
Oh, what is GPS?
I'm seeing the work.
Y'all, we tired.
I can still turn up, but
We ain't gonna have no way to get home.
that's how we're gonna turn up until we can get home.
Okay. We wait for the bus. It's like 1:27 a.m. This is crazy. We tried to get Uber. Uber was $40, but it never came. And then the taxi was the one that was like 60 to 70 euros. Who paying that? Not for a 20-minute drive. Maybe if he was taking me to Paris. Right, for this bus to come, it says it's supposed to be an hour and 30-minute ride. So
What is that? Like, we gotta get on the bus and then the train.
exit bus at Zleffenhof, P5. Board connection bus N30. Then exit bus at the Harlem station. So
it ain't a lot.
we gotta get on 2 buses, but it's just 12 stops and 16 stops. It's still kind of lively out here. Everybody riding their bikes to get home. Hey, we on this. It's gonna be a long ass ride. Hey guys, we getting ready to go to the museum. Okay, we kind of got to change up the fits today because it's raining and it's cold as fuck. So I had to put my jean jacket on. Okay, y'all, we just got on the bus to go to the museum. It's not as cold as I thought it was gonna be, but it's definitely raining, so we're gonna be in the sky in the rain. I forgot we had the thing booked for the swings. Oh my gosh. Still trying to get to the damn museum. It's like been an hour of us trying to find a ride. Why would that be an option? It don't even have a crosswalk. Let's just try. Okay.
Don't worry, guys. Go stop the alarms for the seatbelt.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, she did say that. That's why I was like wondering, like, why is she getting an attitude with her?
Don't you want me home? I get you what what you want, but you want me alone. Baby, I'm acting. You held me up when I was down and out, but I don't want you waiting around for me. I don't want you waiting too long. I don't want you waiting too long. She hold me down like gravity.
We on the front page of them blogs. Would you be mad at me if the whole world knew this we was on? Would be tragedy. Why niggas be globe trotting like travel teams? You always in my travel dreams. Lace up 2, 3 stripes and I'm gone. But you just want me home. So you hit my jack like what the f you doing? Bitch, I'm on and on. Press me now. She gon' stress me out and cuss me out. I had my fair share when their feelings don't catch me now.
Don't act like I'm average. You want me home. I get you what you want. Superstar status. You want me alone. You held me up when I was down and out, but I don't want you waiting around for me. I don't want you waiting too long. It's not that I'm over you, not over girl, but I got things to do. It's so much to be your boyfriend, you're mine. And you ain't.
We could have sat over here if it wasn't raining. This is very, like, we had a lot of fun at that museum. Like, it was really nice, and it was actually, like, long. Like, I feel like I got my money's worth with that museum. So it's still raining. We about to go to the food hauling, and that's a food court, and get some food because I'm hungry. It's still more art out here.
Definitely getting me a drink.
Okay. I swear I thought.
That's what I heard too.
Alright. We're in the food hall now. Getting us a little drinky drink because we've been going through it today, okay?
First off, drink.
Food second. Thank you. It's my mojito, guys. Cheers. Just notice it doesn't have ice in it, but I know they realize like they don't really put ice in their drinks like that. But it's good. I'm getting me something. I didn't get nothing sweet yesterday.
I'm getting me a brownie, I guess.
I just want to see some more creme brulee. Like that's what I want. A butter chicken wrap.
And I've seen a lot of people with this, with the butter chicken, right?
About to give me a butter chicken wrap. So I got my butter chicken wrap, and then my hand roll right there. You hungry?
What the hell is that? It's spicy as
Wasabi? Yeah, that's wasabi. It's good. I'm about to try my hand roll. Okay, I got some Korean sticky wings. Getting back on another tram. We're about to go to Amsterdam Central, get some little knicky knacks. And
Maybe go shopping.
right.
They gonna go shopping. I'm gonna get some food.
After she don't order 10 plates at this food, like all you see with real.
And I got leftovers at home. I do.
We have here a mare. She's a witch. Oh, she is. Ja, moet zeg je bezem? A broom. A broom. She have a broom. Free parking. A witch on the broom.
I don't know him.
Oh, you left. You know what they say at the left?
It's a dildo.
How do you say it? How do you say it?
Giant.
This
The
is
dildo. The
he's
dildo.
he's-
The dildo of
he's
the
laying like
giant.
this on the ground. That's what it says.
Oh, they say that.
No, I'm not. Where are you going?
He's fucking drunk.
Where are you going?
We don't like milky.
Okay, we just left the coffee shop. Now we just got to keep walking around Amsterdam until like our dinner reservations, which is at 9 o'clock. It's like 6:45 now, I believe. And our last day in Amsterdam. We are Amsterdamians for real now. We've been taking the train. Cheers. It's our last day in Amsterdam. Last day. We had a time. Yeah, we had our spot. We did have a time. Okay. Hair snacks. The best porn star martinis. Okay. By far. Yeah, what is the name? Other name. And we looked at it, it was like, that's the place.
It was you like, notice? I like,
And I had told today, I was like,
you
I
knew
know
what it looked like.
I said, I know it.
It's like you swallowing an oyster.
Okay, I swallow oysters. I'm trying passion fruit for the first time. It was in my martini. Okay.
I just want to eat the big.
I'm like real big on texture.
Too many seeds to be taking them all off.
It's like it's good.
I know you don't like it. You like the martini.
I like the flavors, like, but I don't eat the fruit. Like, I like strawberry flavor, but I don't eat the strawberry.
Right. What?
I don't like seeds.
I mean, they had to do that.
We're at H&M. This shirt is so cute. First of all, look at this H&M. Like,
Walk in this direction, please.
we're at Bar Rouge. We're gonna party all night long. It better.
I was gonna say.
Okay.
She's making a vlog.
We're gonna have the porn star martini.
Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Why you think?
Right there. Tables right. This is so Oh, there it goes.
hope y'all can see me. I'm in the bed eating my food from earlier, my jackfruit Mexican bowl. It's so good. This is our last night in Amsterdam. And today was like a great day. Like, we had so much fun today. It was a great way to end the trip. And we're about to take on Paris. So I'm already packed. We already packed our bags. Tomorrow we're leaving for Paris. We're getting on a train at 11 a.m. and it's like 2:30 in the morning. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. We had a lot of fun. If I didn't get that much content, which I really don't know how much content I even have, I'm gonna have to go back and look, but if I didn't get that much content, I'm sorry, okay? I was just trying to live in the moment, enjoy the moment. Paris is gonna be so much more. So stay tuned, and I'll see y'all in Paris. Oui. She's so bougie. Good night.
Mama, don't you want me home? I get you what you want.